Hello YouTubers. I haven't made a video in a little while of my projects I've been doing. I've been getting a lot of calls from different people about different things. Here's my new project that I just got done with. I'm always doing the smaller doodle bugs, the little Baja bugs, but today I just got done with this Baja Warrior, they call it, bigger version. Somebody just told me I should try something bigger, so I just figured I would do it. As you know, we all live in Florida. Anyways, I'm gonna tell you about this bike. This is a Baja Warrior. It has it's a big heavy duty frame, as you can see. Almost everything on this bike is brand new. Brand new grips, brand new brake lines, brand new kill switch, brand new foot pegs, brand new tires, brand new engine, brand new clutch, brand new seat, brand new paint. I got the bike in pieces and I had to put it together basically and do some custom work to it. It's kind of dark over here, I don't know, but it has a 6.5, well, it was a 6.5 Predator clone, but I figured since the bike is a little bit bigger and heavier that I should probably do some work to the motor so it can support the weight change and be able to move you a little bit better than the stock one would. So you can't really see inside the motor, but I went in here and I took the governor out. I installed a Mod 2 cam for more low-end torque and a little bit less top-end speed, but the gearing on here makes up for that loss in top-end from the cam being geared for just low-end torque and not top-end speed. I changed the stock rods and put billet rods in it. I also changed my valve springs in here from the stock 10 pounds to 18-pound valve springs, so I don't get any valve float from this raising RPMs from taking the governor off. I also went on this side in the flywheel, which is under here, and I changed the timing key to a 6-degree timing key, not a 4 or the other one that comes stock. I also put a racing spark plug in here, right there. And this motor has a GX 160 head from a Honda 5.5, which is a little bit smaller, which gives it a little bit more compression, increasing the horsepower probably like 2 horses. That doesn't sound like much, but it is much in the mini bike world. Also installed air filter kit, and I upgraded the jets inside this and the emulsion tube for better gas consumption, because now that I have bigger springs and everything in here, the motor's gonna want to eat more gas, so I did that. Yeah, apart from that, the bike looks good, as you can see right here. I'm gonna go down the street. It starts up pretty easy. It does have a little bit more compression, but it starts easy. I'm gonna go up and down the street real quick so you guys can see it running, and we'll get more information when I get back. So you just see me go up and down the street, so see everything works. Kill switch. Alright, so everything works as you just seen. Brakes, everything. It's a little fast. Whatever. I didn't really get to open it all the way up because it's traffic, as you see. But I'm asking $400 for this bike. $400 or best offer. I am able to ship all over the US. On my other projects you see on my page, they have been shipped to other people who request it. But yeah, I'm asking $400 or best offer. My phone number is 727-614-2447. And when you call, ask about the Baja Warrior on my YouTube channel.